Oh, today we're going to be going over how to install a high voltage bushing. When you first receive it, you're going to remove the spring grip nut. As soon as that's done, you always want to check your gasket to make sure there's no damage to it before you put it in. After that, we recommend using isopropylene alcohol. Use a lead-free top. Always clean the bushing before you put it in the transformer. Make sure there's no dirt or debris. After that is done, you're okay to put the bushing in the tank hole. Carefully place bushing in. And then you're going to apply the spring grip nut. Then you get it snug with your hands. After that, you're going to want to use calibrated torque wrench with an adapter. It's important to note, you always need to keep your adapter at a 90 degree from top of the torque wrench. And when you apply the torque, you go up the recommended specification by tightening. After you reach your recommended torque, you are complete.